will run as the top favorite. Gates open. They're up and racing. Let's reconcile. Real Thunder takes the lead. St. Mark moving up by the rail is Banay, Queen Esther. Then followed over on the outside by Zing. Next in line, My Chic. And Boogie Shoes again is running at the tail of the field. About to pass the last 800. We have the top favorite, Real Thunder, in command by about 3. Banay is in second. Let's Reconcile remains in third. And moving up now to take fourth, Queen Esther, St. Mark, Zing, followed by My Chic. Boogie Shoes again still trailing the group as they head to the last 450. This one, Real Thunder still high-balling in front by about 6 lengths. Moving up now to take second on the outside is Let's Reconcile. Banay once again by the rail, closing in 40's Queen Esther, St. Mark. With the last 150 more to run, Real Thunder by about 6 lengths, followed by Banay by the rail, Let's Reconcile, Queen Esther, and finally Real Thunder. Let's Reconcile, Banay, Queen Esther, St. Mark for your Pentapecta.
Ang una